Welcome to HardReset.Info dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to clean your USB charging port on your TCL 30. So, remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So to get it out, you first have to take the cover off and take the brush in your hand. Then insert the one part of the brush into a connector and gently try to pry the piece of dirt out. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe with our channel, and bye. See you.